Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our EVS lecture, EVS Part 2. Today, we are going to learn last part of lesson number 10, Historic Period. See, children, in this lesson, we have learned various different topics. First of all, we have learned about culture. Then, we have learned about ancient civilizations in river valleys. Then we have learnt about ancient riverine civilizations, and in that topic we have learned various things about Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and definitely Harappa. So today we are going to learn about sports and entertainment. So first of all, I will read this topic and then I will give explanation about the same. Sports and entertainment. There were a variety of sports and means of entertainment in the ancient civilizations. Hunting and wrestling were the important ones. Games played with the help of game boards and gamesmen were also popular. In ancient Egypt, people played a game that was similar to chess. See, children, now here are two pictures of Harappan toys. Really, they are very remarkable and beautiful. They both belonged to Harappan civilization. Okay, children. Now I will move ahead. This game was played with a game board and gamesmen. It was known as Sinat. In ancient China also, there were many games played with boards and gamesmen. Similar games were popular in Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization too. Many toys are found in the excavation of Harappan sites. They include wheels, whistles, rattles, bullock carts, animals, and birds on wheels, etc. Music and dance were also very important in early civilizations. They were an essential part of celebrating a festival. Ancient people used many types of musical instruments in Mesopotamia. A stringed instrument known as the lyre was very popular. Besides instruments like cymbals, rattles, flutes, drums, etc. were also played. The Egyptian kings were known as pharaohs. On the occasions of certain festivals, the pharaoh himself used to participate in the celebrations and dance. The bronze image of a dancer found in the excavation at Mohenjo-daro is evidence that dance was important in the Harappan civilization as well. Till now, we have learnt in brief about the history of human civilizations from a Stone Age to the early civilizations. Next year, we shall study in detail the Harappan civilization that developed in Indian subcontinent. We shall also study the ancient history of India. So see children, what a topic I have read. This topic is really very remarkable and very informative. Especially this topic is giving information about sports and entertainment. See children, in the ancient civilization, people were very interested in sports and entertainment. So that there were a variety of sports and means of entertainment in the ancient civilization. They found they were fond of hunting and wrestling games with game board and gamesmen were very popular games. In ancient Egypt, people played chess-like game. Same game was played with the game and gamesmen. It was known as a Sinat. In ancient China, people were playing various types of games, and so that there were many games played with board and gamesmen. Same games were popular in Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization. Many toys are found in the excavation of Harappan sites, for example, wheels, whistles, rattles, bullock carts, animals, and birds on wheels, etc. Music and dance were an essential part of celebrating a festival. In Mesopotamia, a stringed instrument known as a balag was very popular. Cymbals, rattles, flutes, drums, etc. were also played. Egyptian kings Pharaoh used to participate in celebrations and dance. The bronze image of a dancer found in excavation of Mohenjo-daro. So see children, here is a very beautiful picture in front of you. This picture is of a balag. It is a musical string instrument. See children, this musical string instrument is made of gold, named balag, and it is found in the excavation at the city of a Mesopotamian site. The balag has 11 strings. Its height is approximately 2.1 meters. It dates back to about 2650 BC. It was found in the burial of Mesopotamian queen. Her name was Puabi. So see children, this instrument is really very beautiful also and informative also. So see children, in this lesson we have learned many more things about various topics. Again I am going to explain you this topic, or I am going to give a rapid information. We have learned about culture. We have learned ancient civilization in river valleys in a very typical way, or very properly they were flourished in river valleys. Ancient reverend civilizations also we have learned, and in that topic we have learned about Mesopotamia, Egypt, China and Harappa. And today we have learned various things about sports and entertainment. Okay children, so we have learned various things about the history of human civilizations. Journey of humans from the Stone Age to early civilization was really very remarkable and informative. So next year we shall study in detail the Harappan civilization that developed in Indian subcontinent. We shall also study the ancient history of civilization. Okay children, so here definitely we have finished this remarkable lesson. Yes, lesson number 10, historic period. So definitely you have your homework today. Whatever topics I have explained you, or whatever information I have given you about this lesson, you have to read them. Means you have to read this lesson properly from core of your heart. Then all points you will learn betterly and you will learn properly, so that you have to read this lesson for your better understanding. Okay children, thank you, thanks a lot.